How can I get a free VIN number check?
Hello, and welcome to our video on free VIN number checks. You're about to learn how to get important information about a used vehicle you might be interested in. By checking the vehicle identification number, or VIN, you can get a good idea of the car's history and condition. This information is vital when making a decision about buying a used vehicle.
What is a VIN number?
The VIN, or Vehicle Identification Number, is a unique code assigned to every vehicle when it's manufactured. It acts like the vehicle's fingerprint and can tell you a lot about the car's history, including accidents, recalls, and sometimes even service history. Checking a car's VIN can provide a wealth of information and is a smart step to take before purchasing a used car.
Where can I find the VIN?
The VIN can typically be found in a few different locations on a vehicle. The most common places are the driver's side door jamb, the driver's side of the dashboard, or sometimes under the hood on the engine block. If you're purchasing the vehicle online, the seller should provide the VIN in the listing.
How can I get a free VIN number check?
The key to getting a free VIN check is knowing where to look. There are several online services that offer free VIN check services, although they may not provide as much information as paid services. Still, a free check can give you some basic information about the vehicle. Some of these services are: 1. National Insurance Crime Bureau, NICB, offers a free VIN check to determine if the car has been reported stolen or listed as salvage. 2. National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, provides information about recalls and safety ratings. 3. Some state DMV websites. They also provide some information regarding the vehicle's history. You simply need to enter the VIN into the search box on these websites, and you'll receive a report with the information they have about the vehicle.
Are paid VIN checks worth it?
While free VIN checks can give you some information, paid services often offer more comprehensive reports. These reports might include more detailed accident histories, service records, and other important details about the vehicle's past. If you're seriously considering purchasing a particular used car, investing in a paid VIN check might be worth it to get a full picture of the car's history. We hope you found this video helpful in your quest to find a good used vehicle. Remember, performing a VIN check is a vital step in your used car buying process. It's the best way to ensure you're making an informed decision. Be safe, be savvy, and happy car shopping.